Are you ready for today's English class? We had already completed 2 lessons in the first unit. The first lesson is mirror, mirror. And the second lesson is a magic mirror. Now, we have also a poem in the unit. The name of the poem is Mirror, Mirror. The name of the poem is Mirror, Mirror. Before entering the poem, shall we have an activity? Okay, I will show you some actions. You want to guess and write in your notebook. Okay, please listen. Can you guess it? Okay, we can see a small bird flying in the sky. Are you all correct? Okay, then we can hear the poem. The name of the poem is Mirror, Mirror, written by Madhuri Sawant.
Chapter Mirror, Mirror. Mirror, mirror, don't display my eyes, don't display my hair, don't display my teeth. Mirror, mirror, display my courage, display my knowledge, display my voyage, display my message, display my passage, to go in the right direction as you show. Thank you.
Can you understand anything? Nothing. Don't worry. We can see what the poem says. Hi children, I am the mirror. Mirror, I have a request. What is that? Don't display my eyes. Okay. Don't display my hair. Okay. Don't display my teeth. Then, what did you want? I want to display my courage. Okay. I want to display my knowledge. Then, I want to display my voyage. Next, I want to display my message. Okay. At last, I want to display my passage in the right direction and show. Okay, all is well. Thank you. Is it easy now? Yes. Now you can understand the poem. Then please say the lines with me. Mirror, mirror, don't display my eyes. Don't display my hair. Don't display my teeth. Okay, then second stanza. Mirror, mirror, display my courage. Display my knowledge. Display my voyage. What do you mean by voyage? Yes, voyage is a travel through the ship. Here, the poet Madhuri Sawant means voyage means the journey of our life. Voyage means the journey of our life. Then, next line, display my message. Next, display my passage to go in the right direction as you show. This is the poem. the poem is now complete. You have some simple questions in the poem. You try to answer the questions. Okay. The first question is, who writes the poem? You know? Please watch the screen. Poem. Do you like the poem? All are you like the poem? Which stanza did you like? Is the first stanza? Okay. The others like the second stanza. Okay. What does the mirror usually reflect? Yes, images. A mirror usually reflects images. Then the last question. What does the child want to reflect? Yes, we can see some words. The child want to reflect her courage, her knowledge, her voyage, her message, and her passage. We can repeat the words. The first one is courage. What is this word? Courage. Do you know the spelling of the word? Yes. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. What is the next demand? Yes, the mirror wants to display her knowledge. What is the second demand? Yes, her second demand is to display her knowledge. Her knowledge. What is the spelling of knowledge? Okay, we can see Knowledge. Knowledge. The third demand of is voyage. What is the word? Voyage. You know the meaning of the word voyage? What is the meaning of the word voyage? A travel through the ship. What is the spelling of voyage? Okay, we can see V-O-Y-A-G-E. Can you understand? Okay. Then the next word is message. What is message? We can tell the spelling. M-E-S-S-A-G-E. And what is the last word? Yes, the last word is passage. Passage. Please read the spelling. P-A-S-S-A-G-E. Okay. Now the poem is complete. Then we have some activity in your lesson. Before entering the activity, I will introduce you some pictures and words. Please listen. What does this picture show? Yes, this picture shows someone is crying. Someone is crying. What is the opposite word of cry? Yes, we know. The opposite word of cry is laugh. The opposite word of cry is laugh. Can you see? The opposite word of cry is laugh. Then I will show you another picture. What is this? It is a cup of tea. It is hot. very cold. What is the opposite meaning? The opposite word of hot is cool. What is the opposite word of hot? The opposite word of hot is cool. At last, there is only one picture. What the feeling of this picture? Do you know? Yes, the feeling of this picture is happy. Then the opposite word of happy is, yes, sad. The opposite word of happy is sad. Now we can see the opposite words. The opposite word of happy is sad. Okay, now you can easily complete the activity. Please do it. Are you doing? Did you complete? Please check your notebook. Did you write incorrect? Otherwise, you correct it. When you are cool, I am not hot. Next, when you are happy, I am not sad. When you are happy, I am not sad. The last, when you are sad, I am not happy. Now, we complete the riddle and complete the activity. At last, we have an assignment. For example, I felt to see your face. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, I am the mirror. Then you want to collect 3 or more riddles about mirror, which get answer the mirror. Okay? Please ask your parents or your friends or your class teacher and collect the riddles. Now we have another activity.
Hi children, are you ready for another activity? There are some words here. My, your, they, their, her, his, it, our. Okay? I will repeat the words. My, your, they, their, her, his, it, our. Okay? We can making some sentence using with these words. Are you ready? Okay. My name is Shiny. Then this my pen. Okay? My mother is a housewife. Okay? I love my mother very much. I love my mother very much. Okay? Here, my stands for me. Okay? Do you understand, children? My stands for me. This is another word, your. Okay? What is your name? What is your name? Okay? Where is your house? What is your name? Yes, your name is Anjana. Is it right? Okay. What's your parents' name? Can you tell? Okay. The word your stands for you. Okay. You are related the word with the you. Okay. The next word is they. We can see the person. Okay. Here the word they related to more than one person. There related to they. The word they related to the word they. Okay. The other word is her. What is the name of that girl? Can you guess? Her name is Okay. Her name is What is the name of her friend? Can you guess? Babu? No? Ramu? Yes. Her friend's name is Ram. Okay. Here, her related with the girl or lady. Okay. The word her is related with the girl or lady. The next word is his. What is the name of that boy? What is the name of that boy? Yes, his name is Ramu. Okay. You already know his name is Ramu. Okay. What's the color of his shirt? Yes, you can see here the color of his dress. That's a yellow. Okay. What's the color of his pants? Yes, it's black. Very good. It's black. His pants. The color of pants is black. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes, here his is related with the boy or man. Okay. The word his is related with the boy or man. What is in their hands? Okay. You can see here. It is sweets. It is sweets. Here it means objects. Some objects. Okay. It means objects. The last and final word is our. What is the name of our country? Our country. Yes. It is India. The name of our country is India. Okay. Here the word our stands for. Can you guess? Yes, all of us. Here our means all of us. Okay. Dear children, now we can understand the meaning of all of these words. Okay. Here my stands for me. Okay. The another word your. Your related to the word you. Okay. The other word is her. Her stands for the girl or lady. Okay. The next word is her. Her related to girl or lady. And the other word is his. His related to the man or boy. Okay. The word his related to the word boy or the man. Okay. The another word is, what is that? Another word is our. Our means all of us. Okay. Our means all of us. And the last word is it. It means the objects. Okay. Can you understand all of these words? Yes. Okay. Very good. Now look at the picture.
Look at the girl at the sweet counter. Her name is Miss Maya. Do you know who is at the toys counter? His name is Varun. Who are the ones at the books counter? Their names are Fasil and Amala. My sweets counter has the highest sales, says Vismaya. Our books counter is visited by many students. Say Fasil and Amala. Who is the real owner of the shop? All the children of the students are its own owner. It is their cooperative store. You also can start your own shops in your schools. Okay.
Here is a paragraph. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. The words also here. Okay, children, all of you study very well. Okay.